everyone! Welcome back to our channel. This is Unezze, your Orange County girl. So welcome back. Welcome back for me kasi nga it's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-upload because I'm so busy lately, guys. I have 2 jobs and I have a business, so may napabayaan ko yung YouTube ko. But anyways, today is Thanksgiving Day and I want to greet and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are enjoying in this holiday season. So for today's video, we are going to unbox one of the nicest things I bought this Thanksgiving for myself. Yes, guys. So I bought a lot of products, but I don't want to unbox it because those are gifts for my family and friends, and it's gonna be secret for now. So ito na lang muna because I just want to show you also the bag that I bought. Na parang I'm so happy I bought this one. I just want to share it to you guys. So without further ado, let's start unboxing it. So yes. So this box is called like BÉIS bag. BÉIS bag. Ano ba yan? So I bought this online for, I think I just paid $130. So it's 20% sale and I just took advantage of the sale right now. So, wait lang. Ito yung masasabi ko, yung ma-advise ko sa mga friends ko here in the United States. Ito yung natutunan ko during my 4 years of staying here. So, just save all your money for the whole year and then just do your shopping of what you want and what you need on Thanksgiving Day. Kasi nga, lahat ng gusto mo, talagang naka-sale siya. Ang pinakamababa siguro is like 20% off, but the rest are like, you know, it's insane. Everything is on sale right now, guys. So, you need to have a lot of savings. Yeah. So, yes, guys, let's start unboxing it. So, this is the bag. That I bought. This is called a BÉIS mini work tote bag. So, look at that! So pretty! And, yes. So, this is the outside of the bag. So, the outside of the bag, meron siyang mini zipper here. And you can put everything. Like, many things in your everyday life. And then here, you can put your phone here too. But this is like, if you're traveling and you want to put your, you know, parang ayaw nyo siyang carry. So it has this opening here. Now you can just like put your bag on your luggage. Diba? Tapos, good na lang. Diba? Sayang. And then yan, guys. So far this is the outside. It has another secret pocket on the side. And also one in here. You can put your example. Ayan. Diba? And your water bottle. And then, so, ayan, try natin. Ayan, perfect na siya, guys. Ayan. Sorry, kasi short. Ayan, ganyan lang siya kalaki. So, this is the mini work tote bag. And then, inside, get this one. So, inside, guys, is ito. Meron din siyang sling. And then, it has this little pouch. You can attach this one or detach. And then, you can put all yung mga important things na ayaw yung makita. So, you can put your pads, your wallet, na ayaw yung manakaw agad. So, yan. And then, if you need more space in your bag, then you can detach this one. But if you need more like, you know, like an organized or kung gusto niya lang, you can also attach this one. And then inside, ayan, this side, and you can put your laptop here. It's protected, and then you can, or anything, you know. And then, aside from that, meron siyang pocket pa dito. And then meron pa siyang pocket dito. And then, on the other side, meron na naman siyang zipper. So, I really love it. It's so spacious. I can put everything. Yung parang pagbukas ko, ayun na. Nakikita ko na siya lahat. At saka, ayan. So, it has a black color, beige, and this is like a brown color. And then, yes guys, ito yung napili ko kasi nga, parang ano lang siya. Feeling ko vintage. Sarap. I'm so happy. Ayan. So, I'm so happy sa nabili ko this this holiday, Thanksgiving, Black Friday sale. Ayan. So, this would be my bag on the go. And then, it has, yung naka-close mo din siya. And, this, meron din siyang lalagyan ng keys. So, hindi nawawala yung keys nyo. So, you can put your keys here, you know. And it's easy to grab. So, super handy. Feel like I'm ready for everyday job. Alam mo yan? So, yan guys. And that's it for now. So, since I'm doing this video, I would like to also announce what's going on my website. So, I'm also like an independent consultant for the Body Shop at Home. And so, I want to announce also what's going on for the Black Friday deals that we have today. So, for the body butter, this is only $12. Original is $22, but right now it's $12. It's so big. Tingnan nyo naman. And, it's super nice. This is the new packaging for the body butters, and also the smell or the scent of the product is also changed. I really like how they changed it for us. So, body butters for $12, and then for all the cleansers, it's only $10. Yes, everything is only $10. And for the shower gel, it's only $5. Look, it's so big. Originally, it's $12, but right now it's $5. Diba? And then, 30% off for everything except for the gift set. So guys, hit the link below, shop on my website. For now, it's only USA, but next year we're gonna expand globally. So wait for that. I'm going to announce it on my Facebook page also. And that's it for now. So far I like my bag. And just wanna promote all my pretty products on my Body Shop at Home. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you everyone for your support. Bye for now.